Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the channel. So today is a very fun episode because I am going to test drive the Integra. I made an appointment and apparently they also have what I would want to test drive, which is the manual transmission. So this is going to be a fun one. Sit, relax, have a cup of coffee and enjoy. This is the Integra. This is the higher trim. It comes with carbon fiber mirror cap, and also comes with a carbon fiber spoiler over here. And you have these sport tires, and these tires are from Goodyear. You get the sport tires, and the brakes are just standard brakes. You don't have Brembo brakes, but you can always upgrade these brakes as well. So overall, everything is really nice. This is the MSRP price right over here, $37,395. And alright folks, I want you to hear the sound of this car. Listen to the sound of the car. It's amazing. Alright guys, I'm driving the Accura Integra. Guys, to be honest, it's exciting. It's really exciting, especially if you're driving on the sport mode. Man, you can really feel the power. It pulls, and the rev match, man. On my car, I do rev match by myself, but here, it's a feature that I personally, if I wish I could have done it on my car, I would have done it. But I love the rev match. The car feels fast. It's only 200 horsepower. There's nothing much you can expect, but there are quite a ton of features, especially the lane assistance. A lot of people want to have that kind of feature. It pretty much has all the premium features for Accura. So if you know how Accura made the luxurious cars, that's exactly what you get with this Integra. And honestly, I like the shifter. It has a short shifter. The shifter are literally just right there when you engage them. No issue at all. You have a very nice premium dashboard. When you put it on the sport mode, it changes to red color, and then you put it on normal mode, it changes to monochrome, which is kind of like white and grayish. And I think the one that I'm driving is the base model, correct?
Yeah.
So it has 3 driving modes: sport, normal, and comfort. So in the comfort mode, that's where pretty much you're going to save gas. You're not going to spend up, it's going to, and you won't feel a lot of power either on comfort mode. But still, on comfort mode, you can feel like you're really driving, a machine. So that's kind of cool. And it also has, it has a heads-up display, and that heads-up display tells you the speed limits of the road. So which is really cool. Alright, now I'm driving on comfort mode, and this is how the display shows on comfort mode. And I don't think you will see the heads-up display though. There it is. So the camera is there. It also tells you the speed limits. Very nice. And it goes up to 160. That's the top speed, 160 miles an hour. Very nice dashboard, and this is the infotainment window. It's a monochrome. It's not like your Android. And you have the wireless charging over there. Nice shifter. And very nice steering wheel as well. I'm gonna change it to sport mode. This is normal driving, getting a little bit of power from comfort, and then on sport mode there, and you also have that little window shows there. Oh folks, here is my final say on the Integra. I had fun driving it today. It's intuitive. It's an intuitive car. I like the design interior, not the exterior. I'll come back to the exterior in a moment. I like the interior design. I like the fact that the seats are premium when you sit compared to my seats. I love those seats more compared to my seats compared to this one, because the seat that comes on this car, these are no premium seat. Like I actually miss the 3 series seats, because these 2 series seats are just awful. Okay, now here's the downside that I don't like about the Integra is I'm just disappointed on the way it responds. The turbo lag is really bad. It's really bad. When I say it's bad, it's bad. I think you get about 15 to 20-second delay for the speed to kick in when you want to go full throttle. I was really disappointed. Or maybe because I got used to my car, I've done a couple of modifications on this car, and when I press on the gas, it just flies right away. So that's something I discovered on that car. I don't know, maybe because the car that I was driving particularly had those has that flow, but I mean, it could be the entire lineup anyway, because it's the same engine, right? But that's something I discovered. The design, let's talk about the design. I think it's the same size as this one, but I'll show you on the display what the size, the length of the car compared to this one. I like the size. It seems to be compact. I think there is enough cargo space which you can fold the seats for you to be able to have more room for cargo, and that's a plus. And of course, overall, I think, you know, it's a new era. It's a new modern design. Overall, it's great. It's not that bad, but then, is it something that I would trade right now? I don't know. Think of buying the Integra, it's more about the legacy than just about the car itself, right? So it's more like you want to continue the legacy, or you want to leave the last evolution of that legacy of the Integra, then you can go and buy the Integra. Especially, I would advise you to get a manual transmission, so that you can really feel what it is of driving the Integra, because at the end of the day, it's about having that manual transmission experience. So I will advise you to go for the manual transmission. But overall, it's a great car. It's really intuitive. The seats look premium. The interior design look premium. I would really go for it if I had to choose. Thank you. That's my review of the Integra, and I'll catch you on the next one.